Hey, it's Israel from IsraelNavarro.com, and I'm here excited because I'm going to share you guys a very simple tip, nothing too crazy. This obviously is something you guys should be aware about doing it, especially with your brand, your business, and on social media, what you can do to actually handle the bad reviews. But we're going to actually be speaking specifically about Facebook. Yes, Facebook Pages is a great tool. Remember, Facebook has over 2 billion people, and if you have a Facebook page, you're going to be able to reach all those people around the world. But what happens? Sometimes you get bad reviews. Sometimes, it's someone that's completely negative, hateful, and just jealous and envious. They're going to write a hateful comment. Sometimes it's someone looking to bully you and just try to expose you, hurt you, knock you down, so that way they can feel like they win because they destroyed you. Other times it's someone just being completely inappropriate and just being very disrespectful. Or sometimes you get one of these clickbait websites that are like, they leave a review with a link, and usually it's to a porn website, to a computer virus. So we want to be able to, obviously, I'm not saying you can't have negative reviews, but you got to make sure when it's appropriate and when it's not. Because if the negative review is a feedback for you to improve, that's great. But if the review is basically completely inappropriate, hateful, violent, whatever you want, whatever you guys are going to know when it is appropriate to remove. So that's how you do. Obviously, Instagram has the benefit that you can just swipe and delete the comment directly off of your Instagram, but Facebook doesn't have that option. So how do you do this? Well, simply, these are the tips I'm going to share with you. There's 6 tips. They're very simple to do, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to go into your settings for your page. Once you're there, you're going to click Edit Page. You're going to scroll down until you see Reviews. It's basically, that's what it is. It's going to, as simple as that. Reviews. You're going from there, you're going to Settings option and give, the right to reviews. From there, you can turn off reviews if you want to turn them off completely, or you want to have the option that you approve the review beforehand. Once you do that, you click Save. This is a very simple tip, but it is very helpful that you can keep your brand, or your brand being yourself or your business, healthy from hateful comments and being a complete turnoff to people. So I hope these tips help you out. And if you guys are more interested on how to use social media more effectively, you can always message me. Or if you want to actually start making profit on Instagram, you're going to go into the link in my bio here on Instagram, or in the comment section below. There's going to be a link where you can get my ebook for free, Insta Profit Magnet, which is going to show you guys steps how to scale your Instagram so you can start making profit on it. So thank you so much for joining me today, and see you guys again tomorrow. Take care, and God bless you.